perfect meatballs start here. The key to juicy, evenly cooked meatballs lies in proper preparation and the right baking technique. First, preheat your oven. Now, ensure your meatballs are uniform in size. This guarantees even cooking throughout. If making your own, roll them gently between your palms rather than pressing firmly, which can make them dense. Place the meatballs on a lined tray with space between them to ensure even browning and a tender, juicy interior. Halfway through baking, gently shake the tray to roll the meatballs. This helps them brown evenly without flipping each one. The meatballs are done when they're golden brown on the outside and no longer pink in the middle. Crispy, juicy, and effortlessly delicious, ready to serve and impress. Like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen hacks.